Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about this from, well, Microsoft, directly from fucking Microsoft. Welcome to the incredible teams and legendary franchises of Activision-Blizzard to Microsoft Gaming! Yeah, in other words, Microsoft actually bought Activision-Blizzard, who in fact owned a bunch of studios who actually created all of these games. You know what had me the most surprise of all of that bunch was this one, King from Candy Crush. That's interesting that I did not know. Does that mean that now we are gonna get Candy Crush games bundle up on Windows updates now? Crap. Anyway, my point is, I do not know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. I mean, technically, it's always bad because there's always the idea of, and the concept of, massive corporations, less competition, and a more massive blobs of people who can actually not only ban you for opinions that you hold, but destroy your entire online life. And Microsoft is quickly achieving that dream by acquiring that many studios. And that, my friends, leaves me worried. But with that aside, which is massive problem, there's also the fact that they can actually increase the price of games because there's less competition. But with that aside, there's also the fact that Activision Blizzard has been sucking balls forever. I mean, really sucking with their releases, sucking upon sucking. Not even sucking my goddamn fucking balls, which are goddamn fucking dry, was enough. The quality of the sucking sucked. Suffice to say. Who here remembers when Activision Blizzard said, "Oh guys, don't tell me you don't have a phone to play Diablo." Yes. Remember the latest releases of World of Warcraft, sucking upon sucking, where they actually had to change a bunch of people's names, places, and things like that because cancel culture? Do you remember? Diablo 2 Remaster getting censored and getting the Amazon to look like a goddamn fucking tangerine man in a drag. Sorry, cat fur. It's everywhere. So, with that being said, and there's the sexual harassment stuff going on in Activision Blizzard, which means now it's pretty sus considering Microsoft bought it. But otherwise, anyway, does that mean that Microsoft purchasing Activision Blizzard would mean that those games would suck less? Maybe. Mostly because I'm basing it on Forza Horizon, but then again, it went filthy woke, that garbage. I mean, woke upon woke and censorious. But the game overall doesn't seem to have sucked that badly, and they've released their stuff on Steam, which is the choice platform of multiple gamers. This product placement was not sponsored. But that means that probably next releases from Blizzard, Activision Blizzard won't suck. Hey, do you remember the Warcraft 3 remaster? That sucked. So Microsoft released Microsoft Flight Simulator, and that did not suck. So, food for thought. Either way. So, High Moon did the great game of Deadpool. Raven used to be great. Anyway, let's see a team as we are on a mission to extend the joy and community of gaming to everyone. Oh, yes. We could finally get rid of the Activision-Blizzard launcher, which I hate it. I hate it to the point that I never purchased anything on that thing. Hey, could mean more than Warcraft will finally get to Steam. We all know the game is the most vibrant and dynamic form of entertainment worldwide, and we experience don't care. For many decades, the studios and teams that make up Activision Blizzard have earned a vast wellspring of joy and respect from billions of people all over the world. We're incredibly excited to have a chance to work with the amazing talent and dedicated. Let's see what else. Blizzard Entertainment, Pinox, Demoware, Digital Legends, High Moon Studio, Infinity Ward, Major League Radical Entertainment, Raven Software, Sledgehammer Games, Toys for Bob, Treyarch, and even teams across until this transaction closes. Activision Microsoft Game will continue to operate independently. Once the deal is complete, the Activision Blizzard business will report to me as the CEO of Microsoft Gaming. Upon close, we'll offer as many Activision games as we can within Xbox Game Pass and PC Game Pass, both new titles and games from Activision's incredible catalog. We also announced today that Game Pass now has more than 25 million subscribers. I always look forward, don't care. Fantastic franchise, don't care. Around the world there is no more exciting venue for fun. Well, it's worrisome, but also a tiny little ray of hope in the middle of a lot of shit. I mean, really shit. Because there's always the problems that I've just said in the beginning of this video. But there is the tiny little ray of hope that Activision Blizzard Games' next games will suck just a tiny little bit less. So in other words, is the shittiness going to get shittier or less shitty? That's the question, because definitely will not stop being shitty. It's just maybe, perhaps, there's a possibility, a tiny little possibility, that there is going to be less shit. Oh, there's still shit, stinking fat, clinking and sticky shit. Just maybe, the quantity is less. Instead of 3 gallons of shit, it could be 2.5 gallons. Yay! Hey, you take wins when you can. On that goddamn fucking miserable hell, have a great fucking night.